shopping district by Macy's, Madison Square Garden, promoting for animal cruelty.
You were just saying you wanted to go.
I hold out the booklets. Offer to people, very few take it. Partly because this area is overly solicited. But I will call people out loudly. I say help animals, free info, very loud, so that they get their attention and they look at least. In a day, 1 million people might pass, and probably about a third get a good look at it, hard look. Not very many take info. Like I said, it's overly solicited. But I'll call people out on their shit when they just look and act like it's no big deal, especially while they're waiting for a light to change, like right here. Free info, animal abuse. Help yourself, free info. Stop terrorizing animals.
A lot of people can't find it, alright? Yeah.
Stop paying hitmen to terrorize animals for you. Gets their attention, wakes them up. How your food is made, free info. Volunteer at adoptthecollege.org, veganoutreach.org. So I'll say some things to get their attention. Animal abuse, free info. Like zombies with tourists walking around, so you gotta call them out. Again, sometimes I'll say, stop terrorizing animals, free info. Stop hiring hitmen. Gets busier, it's really slow right now. Other times I'll just hold out the info and not say anything. But it gets busier and later in the afternoon. This whole sidewalk is usually filled.